Hi guys, it's your girl Shayna and welcome back to my channel. Today's DIY, I'm going to be showing you how to make a summer front door wreath. If you want to see what this video turns out to be, make sure you keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can be the first to get my next upload. This is an 18-inch grapevine wreath. I made this wreath from scratch. I'm going to be posting a video on how to make your own grapevine wreath from scratch. I pre-made this bow prior to the video. I'm using some blue hydrangea and yellow piñones. I'm going to be using my hot glue gun, my floral cutter, and a scissors. So let's get started. First you want to attach the bow. And I'm just using wire to attach my bow to the grapevine. Turn it over and get it as tight as you can. And this is not going anywhere. I'm just playing with the bow to keep it fluffy. Now I'm going to clip the end of the ribbon. This will give it a nice finished look. And I'm doing so to both ends. The flowers that I'm using in today's video is from Joan's fabric. Now I'm going to be attaching the flower. First I'm going to put the larger flowers closer to the bow. Then I'm going to put the medium-sized flowers. This wreath is going to have one side flowers and one side just the natural grapevine. I'm now using my hot glue gun to secure the flowers. Now I'm going to weave in the excess of flower stem into the grapevine wreath. And I'm just playing around with the flowers to make sure they're in the right place or position. Now I'm going to be adding some greenery. And I'm using the leaves from the hydrangea. Now it's time to attach the smaller flower. I'm just just inserting the flower into the grapevine. And as you do so, you just have to play around with the flowers until they look good. As you play around with these flowers, you might find out that some flowers are in some places that doesn't look right. So then I have to remove this flower and play around with it some more. Now I will reinstall the flower that I removed. As it looked better in this position. Now I'm just going to weave in the excess stem into the grapevine. I have extra leaf-over greenery, so I place it between the blue hydrangea and the small yellow flower. It did not look good, so I remove it. Now I'm just playing around with the flower and looking at the wreath from front way to see what it would look like when I hang it on the front door. Guys, it's always good to pick up your wreath and look at it from the front. This way you could tell if you need to add anything else to it or to remove anything. Now I'm going to be adding 2 more small pieces of yellow flowers for my final and finished look. And I'm doing so for the other side. Now our wreath has been complete. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can be the first to get my next upload. Now remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengtheneth you. Until next time, be blessed.